Everybody takes the shortcuts. Everybody plays tricks. Everybody has in himself an element of duplicity, of deception. Think of the flower saying to the bee, like my honey? The bee says, wow. But then that means that the bee has to be, and it has to go on living, and all the trouble it takes to go around collecting honey and raising other bees and organizing itself and doing that dance which tells the other bees where there's more honey. There's all that stuff to do. But the flower was deceptive. In the same way, I've often said, life is a drama, and a drama is a deception. It's a big act.